So today I am opening the lily pad. Let's get into it. So I seen this on TikTok and my brother, I sent it to my brother, he got one and opened it. And I was like, well, if he got one and opened it, I have to open one now. So here it is. So let's see what's in here. Okay, what do we get in a lily pad? We get an Obsidian Flames, a Temporal Forces, a Crown Zenith, a Silver Tempest, a Lost Origin, and Corviknight. It's a cool card. So, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to put Silver Tempest up front. And we're going to put Crown Zenith last, because usually Crown Zenith delivers. So let's see if we can pop anything out of the lily pad. Can't remember how much of this was. I have to go look it up. But let's look at Grozy, Fultz, Zero Aura. Alright. So nothing in that one. Not bad. I'm usually a first pack disaster kind of person. So let's check out this next one here. Poliwag, Oddish. Our reverse is Malamar. Alright. Not doing so good. Nothing yet. So let's see if Temporal Forces. Let's get in the old Temporal Forces here. Let's see if we can pop something out of it. With the Sizzlipede. Meryl. Golett. Dunsparce. Glork. Shyman. Oh man. She's code breaking. Sither and Fluttermane. Well, it's kinda a hit. Kinda. Not really. It's not a hit. I'm just lying to myself to make me feel good. Obsidian Flames. Save us. Ooh, that one's obscene. Shuckle, Bisharp, Magneton, Frogadier, Drampa, Sharpedo, ooh, a reverse Charmander, and Ida. Man, we are not doing well here. So, last but not least, Crown Zenith, because Crown Zenith, I hope, is going to deliver and save us from this disaster steaming pile. Mr. Mime, Sunkern, Bidoof, Coughing. Oh, man. Wah, wah. So, unfortunately, Lily Pad, you're not holding up anything.